What's up guys, Gasper here, and for today's video we are going to review this awesome kit. Again, this is called the Gundam Epyon. Okay, so first of all, what is the Gundam Epyon? Alright, so according to my sources, the Gundam Epyon is based from the Tallgeese and the other Gundams that was created during the Gundam Wing series. Alright, so who is the pilot of this wonderful Gundam? So the pilot of this wonderful Gundam is Zex Marquis and Hiro Yui. It has a lot of long-range weapons. Alright, so this is a long-range fighter, not a melee. Alright, so the weapons are the beam sword. This is it, the beam sword. Alright. So why is it like this? So the beam sword is the primary weapon of the Epyon. It is connected directly to the suit's power plant via a cord, as you can see here. A green cord. I don't know if it's green, but I know in the series it's not green. But here it's a green cord. Okay. That runs directly on its own internal power source. This allows the length and intensity of the beam blade to be adjusted according to the situation, and at maximum level it can inflict damage severe enough to destroy objects as large as a space fortress. Alright, so as you can see, this is quite big, right? And it's powerful enough to even destroy a fortress. Alright, so it's designed for a long-range weaponry. As you can see, it looks like a whip, more of like a sword. The next one is the Epyon claws, which are here, as you can see. Okay, mounted on the forearms, they are used as a landing gear in the in one of its forms. Okay, the Epyon shield is this one. Alright. That also connected with a heat rod. This. Okay, so the Epyon shield is a small shield. It's connected to the left arm of the Epyon, and its surface has been treated with an anti-beam coating to provide protection against beam attacks. Alright. It mounts a heat rod at the bottom. So this is the heat rod. Okay, so the heat rod is a whip-like chain. Okay, so this weapon is like a whip, as you can see. I can bend it like that, I can bend it like this. Okay. It can be used to trip or entangle opponents and even cut through mobile suits when heated. A single swipe with this weapon can destroy even a Gundam. Okay, so there's also a special feature of this whole kit. It can the second form of this kit is actually like a fighter jet. Okay, so sorry for that. So it's like a fighter jet. We're not gonna do it on this video because of a lot of issues that I've done with this kit, but I'm gonna show it to you later on what the MA fighter look like. It looks like a dragon form. It's a dragon form, but it is a fighter jet. Okay, so enough with the introduction, so let's go to the review. What's up guys, so this is the review of the kit. Alright, so let's go to the review. This kit is not made by the original one, although it is made by the manufacturer called Bandai, but this one, it was made by a bootleg company, so it's not that good. Okay, but we're going to see what's the difference between the original one and the bootleg one. Okay, so for the color, as you can see, it's not that shiny or matte, as it's not that same consistency as the one from Bandai. Alright, it's a little bit rustic and plasticky. Okay, as you can see. So enough with the color, now let's go to the head. So there's nothing much that's happening on the head, right? You could just, tilt it up, tilt it down, and then rotate it 360. So that's all for the head. Okay, so let's go for the chest. Nothing much on the chest. No cockpit thing, nothing. There's no cockpit. It's just this beam or the energy core at the middle. Alright, so for the arms, let's go for the elbow first. You could do like this, move it upwards, move it downwards, Same as the other kits. I'm sorry for that. It keeps dismantling because, as I told you before, this kit was made by a Bootleg company. It's not as good as the Bandai one. The Bandai one, it sticks a lot. So that's a con um, for the Bootleg. Alright, so let's move to the arms. So there's not much. You could just, like the same thing, rotate it, right? And then move it upward like that. Okay, so that we won't get any issues. Let's remove the feet first. Move it upward like that to the chest. Okay. Let's see if I can move it upward. There we go. A full length like that. Okay. We have limited arms as well, so you could only there are kits like this, especially from also from the Strike Freedom and other kits. It has a limited arms. Okay, I mean limited fingers. So you can see you can't open it, but you can change it. Okay, they give you several things that you could several arm figures where you can change it. And then there's this is the claws. Right, so we can open it like this, and then I'm sorry for that, move it like that. Okay, so nothing much, same as the other MG kit. For this one, I've accidentally glued the claw, so that I cannot move it anymore. So let's go into the waist. For the flappers, nothing much. You can move it upward, sideward, that, and same thing, upward, sideward. This one also upward, sideward. Same as everything. So nothing going on much about this kit, nothing special. Alright, so let's go on the legs. Let's see if we could split it. There. Not a full length, but we could split the legs like that. Okay. Also has a special feature where you could move this upward and downwards, same as the other one. There we go. And then this one, you can kneel. Okay, that's a good thing. So if you wanted a kneeling pose, you could actually make it kneel, or a kicking pose. So for the feet, you could only move it upward, downward, a little bit sideways, tilt it a little bit sideways, tilt it up and down. There you go. So nothing much, nothing special. Alright, so for the wings, you could move it a little downwards, upward, and then you could open the wings like this, like that. See? And then you could move it backwards. There you go. Move it inwards again. Right, so that's it. And then you can move this a little bit on the back, so you can see. There we go. The thrusters at the back. No, you cannot move that. Alright, so for this one, for the whip, you could only move it like this, but you could form it whatever you like, however you like. That, like this. Alright. And then this, you could move it freely as well for the beam saber. There you go. You could form it however you like because of the cord. There. So nothing going on, nothing special. I'm sorry I dismantled everything just for you guys to see. Alright, so for the final verdict, maybe there's nothing much happening on this kit. It's just that it looks like it's an original, or it looks like the same MG kits as you can see anywhere. But the only cool thing about this kit is that if you successfully make it like without any issues. You could actually transform it into the MA fighter. And also the only thing that's cool about this is its color. It's red and black, and that's what I love about it. And also for the weapons, so because it's not your ordinary beam saber with beam cannons or um, beam rifles, this one has whips. Right, so those were the only thing that's unique about this kit. So alright, so that's the end of my video. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and also uh, click that subscribe button at the bottom. Alright, so as always, I'll see you again next time.